Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a flip through of the first ever junk journal that I have made, and I made this for my cousin who, it was her birthday and I wanted to make her something special. And as you can see, there's lots of fiber. This is the opening page. The pattern that you see on the left is from jelly printing plates that I created. And then I used a sewing machine to create the envelope. I used embossing powder. More of the jelly plate printing with other paper, printed paper and doilies. And incidentally, I stained the doilies and some of the pages with coffee and pomegranate tea, so there's like a sweetness to the book. Sheet music. More jelly plate, and then printing out graph paper, lace, stained paper, and this is like one register, so it's like the ending of a register. I made a tab using paper clips and paper that I folded in Mod Podge and glued on. Next register, I believe. Envelope. Yarn that you can stick papers into. Envelope with paper and tags. More jelly plate printing. More tags. Stamping and a cute little saying that I saw that fits her. Using envelopes that I have that are real small. Lots of nooks and crannies that she can jot down notes. More tabs and jelly plate printing. And then also cards that I inserted. There were 3 registers in total. Soft, different papers, different materials. I look forward to making more of these, possibly posting videos as I work. The lace that I found, it was pretty cool because I found 2 sacks of it at a thrift store, and there were 2 sacks of vintage lace, and I was charged for each sack, which was like a gallon-sized sack of lace, $1 a piece, and I was blown away by that. And stamps. It was funny. I went to another thrift store and I found vintage stamps, and they were 50 cents a piece. And I used some of them in the book. I really utilized the gel prints that I had made because I wanted the colors and patterns to be unique. This is a book out of the Canterbury Tales, or a page out of the Canterbury Tales. I have issues with tearing up books, but I have a copy of that, and this was a older copy. And this is towards the end of the book. Thank you for anybody who watches. Sorry, it's kind of quiet. Everybody's sleeping, and I'm here doing a voiceover on the video. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day. And check out the links below.